Cash advance apps can send money the same day if you qualify and choose an instant transfer, while reward apps usually require you to earn points first and then wait for a redemption to be processed. If your goal is getting money quickly, cash advance apps almost always win. By the end of this video, you'll know the difference between getting money in advance and earning rewards, which option delivers funds faster, and when each one makes more sense. Here's the direct answer. A cash advance app gives you access to part of your expected income before payday. After approval, you request an advance and receive the funds through a standard or instant transfer, depending on the app and the option you select. Instant delivery may include an additional fee, while standard transfers often take longer. Reward apps work differently. Instead of borrowing money, you earn points or cash by completing activities such as surveys, shopping offers, playing games, or scanning receipts. Only after reaching the app's redemption requirements can you request a payout. The processing time depends on the platform and the payment method you choose. That means the speed of payment starts much earlier with cash advance apps, because there is no earning phase before requesting money. There is another difference that matters just as much. Cash advance apps provide temporary access to money that you'll repay from a future paycheck or linked account. They're designed to help cover short-term expenses, not create extra income. Reward apps don't require repayment because you're earning incentives instead of borrowing, but building enough rewards to cash out usually takes more time and consistent activity. Your choice depends on what problem you're trying to solve. If you need money today for fuel, groceries, or an unexpected bill, a reputable cash advance app is generally the faster solution if you're eligible. If you want extra spending money without taking an advance against future income, reward apps can be useful because the money you earn doesn't have to be repaid. Before using either option, read the fees, eligibility rules, payout methods, and account requirements. Those details affect how quickly you actually receive your money. So which pays faster in 2026? Cash advance apps are built for speed because they're providing early access to funds. Reward apps are built for earning over time, so payouts naturally take longer, even when the redemption process itself is quick. The key takeaway is simple. Choose a cash advance app when speed is your priority. Choose a reward app when you want to earn extra money instead of borrowing it. Always compare the total costs and payout options before signing up. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video and subscribe for more straightforward app comparisons.